In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to forward an email on Yahoo Mail quickly and correctly. Whether you're sharing important information, sending a message to someone else, or just passing along an attachment, forwarding emails is a simple but essential feature. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it b'shula in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Yahoo Mail, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your inbox, find the email that you want to forward. This could be any message, whether it's in your inbox, sent folder, or even archived emails. Click on the email to open it fully so you can see its contents. Now that the email is open, look for the forward option. This is usually represented by a small arrow icon pointing to the right, and you'll typically find it near the top of the email or alongside other actions like reply and reply all. Go ahead and click on forward. As soon as you click it, Yahoo Mail will open a new message window with the original email already included in the body. This saves you time because you don't need to copy and paste anything manually. Next, move your cursor to the to field and type in the email address of the person you want to send this message to. You can add multiple recipients if needed, just make sure to separate them with commas. If you want, you can also add a short message at the top to give context, like explaining why you're forwarding the email. This is especially useful in professional or work-related situations. Once everything looks good, double-check the recipient's email address and the content of the message. This helps avoid sending it to the wrong person or missing important details. When you're ready, click the send button, and that's it. Your email has now been successfully forwarded using Yahoo Mail. It's a quick and easy process that you can use anytime you need to share information. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.